राष्ट्रपति मानिज द्रौपदी मुर्मू nyuhum maha hilo disom rena education establishment ko lagit te daraikan din nagam teyar ma onate maनिज द्रौपदी मुर्मू aja daman katha koi lei sodor akada lakti ana kami rena kurumutu babod lei akada je bharat re aima hunar mena akada jaha pura puri bang samang sodor akana nit hobaki mena akad giya राष्ट्रपति दिल्ली रिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी डायमंड जुबली रिया कमी हो रहा सेलेक्ट कते राष्ट्रपति आजा दामान कथा लई किदाय दिसोम हट ठेर
The teachers, students and administrators past and present deserve rich tributes for raising the bar of educational excellence. Indeed, their contribution was duly recognized in 2018 when the government named it as an institution of eminence. The Indian Institutes of Technology have been the pride of the nation. When this institute started admitting students in 1961, India was a very young republic, still facing challenges of severe poverty and illiteracy. Yet, India was rich in its potential. The IITs proved to the world the capability of India in the domains of education and technology. In more than one way, the story of the IITs is the story of independent India. The IITs have contributed immensely to Indians' improved standing on the global stage today. Your faculty and alumni have shown the world our brain power. Some of those who studied here and in other IITs are now at the forefront of the digital revolution sweeping the world. Moreover, the impact of IITs has gone beyond science and technology. IITians are leaders in every walk of life, in education, industry, entrepreneurship, civil society, activism, journalism, literature, and politics. Very recently, I met a group of IIS trainees and found many IITians among them. Your influence is such that it touches all walks of life. This is also partly due to the fact that the IITs have expanded outside their traditional strengths in science and engineering. They now offer qualitative programs in humanities, social sciences, design, management, and public policy. This multidisciplinary approach is well aligned with the new national education policy. The IIT Delhi, in particular, has upheld high standards of teaching and research. Your faculty members are known for cutting-edge scientific research and technology development too, apart from contributions to society. Many of them have been honored with the Padma Awards, Bhatnagar Prizes, and other notable recognitions. They have also contributed to national and international academies as fellows. The students of the IIT Delhi, past and present, have been among the best minds of their generation. The competition to find a seat in this institute is tougher than that for some of the best universities in the world.